Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to import bills into Xero. Importing bills into Xero is one of the biggest time savers for businesses dealing with large numbers of supplier invoices. Instead of manually entering every single bill one by one, Xero allows you to upload multiple bills at once using a CSV file. But here's the important part. If your CSV formatting is wrong, your import can fail, or worse, create messy accounting data. Importing bills means uploading bill data from a spreadsheet into Xero instead of typing everything manually. You're basically feeding structured accounting data directly into Xero. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once inside the dashboard, you'll access the Purchases area. Next, click Purchases. Under Purchases, click Bills. This is where all supplier invoices and payable transactions are stored. Next, click New Bill. Why you start here? Even though you're importing bills, the import option is accessed through the bill creation area. Under the drop-down menu, select Import from CSV. What happens next? Xero now opens the bulk import workflow. You'll see several instructions guiding you through the import process. Understanding the import workflow. Download the bills template file. The first instruction is usually to download the bills template file. Why this is important? This template contains the exact columns and formatting Xero expects. Open the downloaded template and enter your bill information. What you'll typically add, you may enter details such as supplier names, bill dates, due dates, descriptions, quantities, unit prices, tax rates, account codes. After filling in the spreadsheet, return to Xero and upload the updated CSV file. What Xero does during upload? Xero checks formatting, required fields, account codes, tax settings, contact information. You'll now see an option to update contact address details. What this means? If your CSV contains updated supplier information, Xero can automatically update the contact records. Next, you can choose whether the unit amount field is tax inclusive or exclusive. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm. What happens after confirmation? Xero imports the bills into your accounting system. The bills now appear inside your Purchases/Bill section. To summarize, importing bills into Xero begins by logging into your account and navigating to Purchases, then Bills. After clicking New Bill, selecting Import from CSV opens the import workflow where you first download the Xero Bills template file. You then copy your bill data into the template, upload the completed CSV file back into Xero, and configure additional options such as updating supplier contact details and choosing whether unit amounts are tax inclusive or exclusive. Finally, clicking Confirm imports the bills into your Xero system for further processing and management. This process helps streamline bookkeeping by allowing multiple supplier bills to be entered efficiently through bulk import. And that's how to import bills into Xero. Bulk importing can save hours of manual work, but accuracy matters more than speed here. One poorly formatted CSV can create accounting chaos fast. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.